Let's be honest, guys. Building credit can be tough, it can be difficult, especially when you don't know much about FICO scores, but desperately, and I do mean desperately, need to recover from bad credit. But what if I told you if there was a safer, smarter, and faster way to do it? All while earning cash back and growing your savings. So stick around and I'll show you how it works and what makes it different than other credit builder cards and how you can get started today. What's up, y'all? It's Kelvin McNeil from ApplyWithKelvin.com, your favorite mortgage advisor and credit expert. And welcome back to my channel where we discuss financial wellness, credit building tools, and real estate. And in today's video, we'll be diving into Firstcard, a secured credit card that's perfect for students, immigrants, or anybody looking to build or establish credit. So just a heads up, for the rest of this video, anytime you hear me say Firstcard, I'm not saying that it's your first card. I'm actually saying, you know what? Never mind.
I see what you're doing.
Before we get into the details, let me address the top 4 questions everyone usually asks about secured cards. Now, the first question that most people ask is, why do you have to add money to it if it's a credit card? Well, here's the deal, right? So a secured credit card works slightly different than your traditional credit card. Simply put, what you deposit is what you can spend.
I'm like about to drop a major truth bomb, so don't scream.
And believe it or not, guys, this is not just to protect the company, it's more so to protect you from overspending, which is one of the biggest reasons why people struggle with bad credit.
Boom. Knew it. Tell us about it, please.
Unlike your traditional revolving trade line, you don't have to worry about your credit card utilization dragging down your credit score. The second question that most people ask is, what makes Firstcard any different than these other credit builder cards? Well, in my opinion, there are no credit checks. That means no credit history is required to apply.
I'm listening.
You can get started with a low FICO score or even no FICO scores at all. Next, there's a 0% APR. Yes, I do mean zero. Unlike most traditional secured credit cards with sky high rates. And Firstcard also charges no interest ever. I also love the fact that you have savings that grow. With Firstcard Premium, your savings actually earn up to 4% annual percentage yield, and that's leagues above other banks. Another big one that I feel like we can all definitely appreciate is no hidden fees, no account minimums, no overdraft fees, or surprise charges. Now, if you're like me, I love credit cards that give generous cashback rewards because I personally love whenever I can spend something, I'm actually going to earn while I spend. And with Firstcard, you can get up to 15% cash back at over 29,000 partner merchants, plus up to 10% random cash back on qualifying purchases. And if you go for the premium plan, you'll actually earn an additional 1% unlimited cash back on top of that. And lastly, among all of their features, this one right here is the one that stood out most to me in terms of how Firstcard truly stands out. And that's inclusivity. Whether you're an international student without a social security number or an immigrant new to the US, you'll have no problem applying for Firstcard with either your visa or a passport. And they even have a multilingual support staff that supports up to 5 languages, which is English, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, and Portuguese. Next, let's talk about how it works, and I'll break it all down for you. So after you're approved, you'll deposit your funds into your Firstcard account. And then this acts as both your spending limit and your safety net. And when you make purchases, Firstcard will lock those funds until your payment is due. And then at the end of the month, AutoPay will take care of everything, transferring those funds from your deposit account to your credit account. Pretty simple, right? And here's the best part. You're building credit the entire time because Firstcard will report your activity and all of your payments to the major credit bureaus, which is Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, helping you establish or improve your credit score. Now you may be wondering, who exactly is Firstcard for? Firstcard is great for anyone looking to rebuild their credit. And traditional secured cards can be expensive and restrictive, but Firstcard offers a safer, more affordable way to improve your scores. Firstcard offers 3 different plans to fit your needs. First, they have the standard, which is $4.99 per month with basic features. Then you have Plus, which is $8.99 per month, which has advanced features plus credit monitoring. And then the premium, which is $12.99 per month, has the highest cashback and savings rate. And here's the kicker, guys. You can monitor your credit scores and get in-depth monthly rewards directly in the app, so you always know exactly where you stand. So if you're truly ready to start building credit in a smarter and faster way, head on over to the link that I have right here at the bottom of the screen and sign up for Firstcard today. The approvals are pretty quick. Remember, there's no risk when applying. So get approved, get your virtual card, and actually start using it to build credit today. Now, if you guys have any questions, please make sure to drop the comment below because, of course, I'm always here to help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone else who may need it. Whether you're looking to get approved for a home, which of course, you know, I'm your guy because I am a licensed mortgage loan officer. You can visit my website at Apply with Kelvin if you're interested in getting help improving your credit with credit repair. Or if you are doing everything that you can to get in a position where you're looking to buy, I have access to over 250 lenders because I am a mortgage broker, which means I also have access to every loan program known to man. We're talking thousands of flexible mortgages. But thank you so much for sticking with me through the entire video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of the day it is. I'll catch you guys on the next one.